In this tutorial, I'm going to further develop the selection of these components here in this previous example. Specifically, we're going to look at the steam trap a little bit. And you'll notice I've right at the key data tab. And what the steam trap is doing, how it's being sized with an entering pressure of 14, a leaving pressure of 0, and that is the default, of course, in the program, which means that you'll get the smallest possible steam trap. It'll take the largest pressure drop that it can based on the back pressure and the system pressure, and then take, of course, the largest possible pressure drop across that. If that's not the way you like to size your trap, you can just click this Override Automatic Safety Factor checkbox here, and it brings a lot of things available to you. One, it makes available to you you can change the safety factor. Maybe you just want 1. I'm going to go ahead and leave 2. The other thing it does is it allows you to change the differential pressure portion. If you watch the leaving pressure here, as I change the differential pressure portion, the leaving pressure changes, which means the pressure in the delta P across the steam trap is whatever you set it to rather. This example, I've just taken half of it, so the leaving pressure is now 7. If we push OK, you'll notice that before we had 3/4 inch pipe, now we have 1 inch. Why is that? Because I'm not taking the full pressure drop with the steam trap. Now we have some flash steam that has to happen in the pipe, and therefore the pipe gets a little bit bigger in size for that. If you don't like that method, you can always go down and just click this little button here, this component pressure drop, and enter whatever pressure drop you want. For example, I can just put a half a PSI pressure drop. Notice the leaving pressure is 13.5, and push OK, and then again you notice that the condensate line coming back from the steam trap gets much larger because, again, there's more condensate or flash steam to take care of. And of course, with those constraints, I can go right into the selection, push select, and I'll get a different size steam trap. So you can kind of play around with that and pick whatever size steam trap you feel appropriate.